Tell me when.
When?
No, tell me when you're ready.
I am. I put it. It's on. We can edit it. Don't worry.
Okay. So I'm here to repair. So this has 35 3/4, and the new shingle it's 38.5. So this is 4 3/4, and a new shingle has 5.5. So it's 1 inch different. New shingle has 1 inch difference. So if I put this one like this, and that one is still this part. How big is it's past 2 inch 3/4. It's more bigger, this new shingle. So if I put this one, it's gonna be the same. So this is how big is, see, 3/4 bigger. New shingle and all. So it's not repairable right now. And also, before has no crease here, right now has crease. So it's not repairable.